motherfuckers get in here. What they do. And they may get inside your ears. And you don't want that. And I'm only using paper. I'm not scared of them or anything. It's just because they usually... come on, boy. No. They usually go through poop. Right? These are the ones that roll poop. And I don't want to dirt my hands. But they don't do anything. They're harmless. I mean, they are harmless until they get inside your ear. Then actually you get crazy. So much pain and sensation you have. I heard, not sure it's 100% confirmed true, but in certain countries long time ago was used as a form of torture. They would put bugs in the ear, and then at that time it was hard, right? They could try to get it, but what they would do is like hot oil to kill the bug, otherwise the person would go crazy, so much pain because of the eardrum and the animal like doing pinching there. So yeah, I don't want that, so I took him out. He's alive.